Today, we will review the control panel for the client or the template. We will go to the SaaS Manager. Then, we will select the template. From here, we click on Control and Management. This is the control panel for the template. This is the database name. This is the server name that hosts this template. This is the Odoo version number. This is the current status of the template. This is the repository associated with this template. It is currently running on version 17 as configured. Of course, these are settings made on Odoo 17. We click on this icon. These are the previous updates. You can view the details here. These are the data that were modified and added. They appear like this. This button shows us the specific data of the Docker containers, which we can see here. Here, we have stop, start, and restart options. From here, we click on stop. It is stopping now. It has indeed stopped. We click here to start it again. This status indicates the container state. From here, we can see more data. These are the volume data associated with this template. Here, too, are the network and default values that are used internally. We now go to the other container, which is responsible for database management. These are its details. You can view this template from here. This template is currently running. Let's try one of the stop options now. We go to see if it is actually stopped. Yes, it is not running now. We now go to start it again. We click on Start from here. It should be running again now. Indeed, it is now running. As we can see, I can control each container individually. I can manage the entire stack. From here, these are the available options. I can stop all the containers of this template. We notice some options disappear because the template is now disabled. These data are now unavailable. We go to the template to see if it is running or not. The template is not running now. Let's restart the template from here. We see the data and options return to the page. We refresh the template page now. Everything is working fine now. These are the repository details. These follow the second level of templates. We can attach multiple repositories. We can view more data about this repository. These data come directly from GitHub. Who is the owner? Which branch is active? The repository links. We have a lot of data here. From here, we can access this repository directly on GitHub. Here it is. Here, we have branches 17, 16, and master. Now, let's go to the history. These are the data showing the events that occurred. I can now see what happened and the dates. We click here for more details. These are the events for branch 16. This is the update for version 16. This is the update for version 17. Now, let's go to the logs. The log here fetches the logs. It tracks events within the Odoo system from here. We run it from here now. We go to the template version. I now refresh the page. It has already started tracking events. Go to another page. Indeed, it monitors all the events happening now. This data comes directly to the system. I'll stop this tool now. As we can see, it has stopped monitoring events. Let's run it again. It's working again. It's working well indeed. Let's stop it now. Let's go to monitoring now. From here, these are the resources being used now. CPU resources, memory resources. I can now see what resources this template needs. Let's go to the template version now. Let's browse some pages within the template. We were working on it previously. As we can see, it has started detecting changes in usage. As we see, we are live. All the traffic happening on the template version is reflected here. I'll stop it now. Let's conduct the same experiment on the database management container now. Indeed, resource consumption is also monitored here. From here, we can view the logs of the database backup process for this template. We can download it from here. Let's go to the console now. Click now to access the Odoo Container Console and enter it. Let's use some commands. We'll close it now. We have the same example for the database container. Let's try some commands. We'll close it now. Here we move to browse the clients who have used this template. This list will contain all the clients. Here we have options such as stop, start, or restart all clients. Stop, start, or restart a specific type of container for all clients. We can stop a specific client's version from here. Here on the side, the details of each contract appear. Here we notice a lot of data related to the contract. With the client's name, these are all the options available for you to manage from this control panel. We also have a client contract control screen similar to this control panel. Let's quickly browse it too. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.